There are lots of different recipes for making pumpkin muffins, and today I'm sharing one with you which I really love. This recipe makes moist pumpkin muffins which are flavorful because of pumpkin spice used in it and extra delicious because of cheesecake used on top. Hello everyone and welcome to Bubli's World Cuisine. These are all the simple ingredients that you need for making this delicious pumpkin muffins. There is one ingredient which you might not have to hand, and that's pumpkin spice. You'll find a quick recipe for making this on my blog. Just check it on www.bublisworldcuisine.com. First thing first, let's preheat our oven, and I'm preheating it to 190 degrees Celsius, and then I'm gonna prepare my muffin tray with some liners. I know that I'll get 9 muffins out of the batter, so that's how much I'm putting it here. And now let's get started. In a bowl, I have some plain flour. To that, I'm adding pumpkin spice, baking soda, and salt. Now, as I said, if you don't have pumpkin spice to hand, just check on my blog and you'll find a quick recipe. Give it a quick stir. We are just stirring it to combine, and our dry ingredient bowl is done. Now let's take another bowl. To that, first we are going to pour in some gorgeous pumpkin puree. Now this is 100% pumpkin and no water or anything. To that I have added brown sugar and white sugar. Now I'm going to quickly mix it. Just let sugar dissolve with pumpkin puree and all the flavors get infused. When it's mixed, at that time you want to add the rest of the ingredients. Now I'm going to add 1 egg. You want to make sure your egg is at room temperature, and if it's a large egg, it's better. Some vanilla, try to use better quality that will give you good taste. Once these two ingredients are mixed with pumpkin puree, it's time to add some oil. Just plain cooking oil will do the job. And then combine it really well so that all the ingredients are mixed in nicely. Now that both wet and dry ingredients are ready, let's combine them in a bowl. So in a large bowl, I'm putting all my dry mixture. To that, I'm adding the wet ingredients. Now you want to mix them in, just fold them in. You don't want to overdo your batter because otherwise you will get hard cakes and you wouldn't want that. Okay, let's set it aside and let's prepare the cream cheese topping, which is like a swirl on the top. So for that, I'm taking cream cheese in a bowl, and the first thing I like to do is just whisk it a little bit to break it up. Now I will add just two ingredients, which is sugar, vanilla, and 1 egg yolk. Try to use a smaller yolk, that will give you better result. Just whisk it to combine, and this will be our swirl on top, making it really delicious. Okay, now that both our mixtures are ready, I'm gonna pour it into the liners, for which I like to use an ice cream scoop. It just makes everything so easy and mess free. So I'm using a big ice cream scoop here, which will fill up to 2/3 of the muffin cases, and that's only how much you want to pour it in because they're gonna rise and there will be a little bit of dome on top. So don't go anything more than that. Once you have put all of them, now you want to put around a tablespoon of that cream cheese mixture on top. After you put the cream cheese mixture, it's time to give it a swirl. This cream cheese filling is going to give it some extra taste. Just use a toothpick and just some rough swirls. And if you like, you can add a little bit less than what I have done here. I have put around a tablespoon of cream cheese mixture. Going in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes, and when they are baked, they look something like this. Now, these pumpkin muffins are really great. They are so moist, and the cream cheese mixture on top just elevates the taste. What I like to do is I always do a toothpick taste, and if it comes out clean, that means my muffin are perfectly done. Let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes and then transfer them to a cooling rack. Now that's how I make my spiced pumpkin muffin with cream cheese. For a recipe card, please visit my blog bublisworldcuisine.com. You can also follow me on Instagram for quick recipes like this. If you make it at home and if you find it useful, please share it with your friends and family. That will help my channel grow. And if you get good experience with making it, share it with me. That will cheer me up. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Take care, and tomorrow I'll bring a new recipe.